Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and this video what I'm going to be discussing with you is very important. Is for you to take an action right now as you are watching this video. It's about KYC. I'm going to be showing you how you can get KYC right now immediately as we are talking on the B network. So this video is going to be very interesting for anybody participating in this project. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So first of all, make sure that you are coming over to this section right here and then mining your B network is very important. And then come over to this section, also come over to this space right here, this search place right here. I'm going to drop this link in the comment section. Just paste it here and then log into it. You are going to see check in this side of your screen right here. Make sure that you are earning your BXP point. It is very important, and I've told you that if it is not opening up, make sure that you turn on your VPN and then it is going to work. You're going to see check in right here. So click on that check in and then complete all of the tasks that you have seen there to be able to earn your BXP points. Now coming back, I've told you and I've made videos about how to mine B faster, and it's very important. I've shown you that you need to be boosting this your mining rate by simply watching ads right here. So the boost, this part is very important. And then also be coming here, you see this game section. Now also be coming to play some of this game to boost your mining rate. Why do I say so? The B has given an opportunity for people to do their KYC right now, and they have used this as a criteria. So it's not like it's maybe just like something casual that they decided to make it interactive, to interact with the community, and they have decided to do like that, and they want to take the people that are boosting this thing. Now look at what they said here. Now if you head over to X, this is the B official X account. You can see the number of followers that they have, and then if you scroll down right here, look at something they did. Like I said, this is not something, because I know I will say it now and the community will start insulting them and all the rest. Now look at what they said there. They say drop your B booster. This is just 33 minutes ago. Drop your B booster count and invitation code. 10 true believers get KYC slot. They get KYC slot. So you can see it's just 33 minutes ago, and just about 123 people have commented. Now what is this and what do they mean? Now if you come over to it, you are going to see what other people are posting. Now this is what they mean here. If you look right here, look at this, look at what this person posted. It is a screenshot of his account, and then as he did it, he posted it. He posted the invite code just as they have said. You see, post a screenshot of their booster and then your invite code. So they see they just posted this one 25 minutes ago, which is about few minutes after they made that post. So they choose him and they say, believer Stanis 12, your KYC slot is ready, please verify your identification in the B network app now. So luckily for this guy, now he is now free to go and do his KYC. And then if you look, he has been mining B for 326 days, and then he has been boosting for 192 days right here. So now look at it. This is what I did. What you need to do is this: you head back to your B app. So on your B app, you need to take a screenshot. Before you take this screenshot, remember what they said. They said the boost count. If you have not boosted, don't do it. Boost count is this one right here. This number you see. You see that mine is showing up to 40. I've boosted up to 40. Although that guy that one boosted up to 20, me I boosted up to 40, and I've screenshot this. So all you need to do is screenshot it like this, and then you see this section, invite now. Click on it. So this is your invitation code. Copy it. So once you copy it like this, head back to that post of the B network. This is it right here. So come over to it, then paste it. Let's click on allow. Paste that post, upload the screenshot like this, then paste that your invite code right here. You see it. So once you paste it, now go ahead and click on reply like this. So that is what you need to do. And once you have done it, you'll be coming over to check. I believe that they are going to put all the 10 people like this, just like they have done for this guy right here now. So that is it, and that is what I wanted to quickly show you right here. So please make sure that you do this so that you can position for this particular project. I told you the listing is coming this year. Look at what they also posted again 14 minutes ago. It's a 2026 year of free mining, making mining cool again. So Binance posted this, making mining cool again. So Bit responded by 2026 year of free mining. Year of free mining. So what are we? We are mining a B network for free. So, and 2026 is the year that they are going to come. Oh my God. Can you interpret that? Well, that is all I need to tell you. If you have not yet started, you know the comment section, you know the description box. Go there, get the link, start up immediately, and do this to get your KYC. So that will be all, and that is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. So before I go, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.